with the help of operating system. With the help of operating system only we can use these modes. Okay, because of we cannot communicate with the hardware. With the help of operating system we are communicating with this. So the two modes is there. One other mode is user mode, other mode is kernel mode. Kernel mode is nothing but hardware mode. Okay, hardware system call. Kernel mode nothing but system call. Okay, for example, we write a program. Already we write the program. Okay, after that we execute. Number of programs we are writing. In that there is a interrupt. There is a interrupt. So that interrupt will be, due to that interrupt, the program will be stopped automatically. So then it is when automatically we call the system call. It is called the system call. When the system call is, when we call the system, then it executes the kernel mode. It operates. It turns into kernel mode. It turns into kernel mode. After kernel mode, the system will be run. Okay, again it will run. So then automatically remaining program will be executed. So the system mode will be kernel mode to user mode. Changes. Epudu the interrupt will be solved. The interrupt will be solved. Then the system, when the kernel mode to system mode will be changed. So how to change? Anything will be changed with the help of some binary number, binary system. So here the program is executing, some interrupt is there. So first it is program execute అవుతుంది. Program is executed. So which in mode? Operation same mode లో ఉంది. యూజర్ మోడ్ లో ఉంది. ఎందులో ఉంది? మనం ఆపరేట్ చేస్తూ ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేస్తాం కదా. ప్రోగ్రామ్ రన్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా. ఎందులో ఉంది? యూజర్ మోడ్ లో ఉంది. సో యూజర్ మోడ్ మోడ్ బిట్ ఏంటండి? మోడ్ బిట్ ఏంటది? 1. Mode bit is 1. User mode means your mode bit is 1. Okay.